Hi guys! Have you seen the movie called Parasite? It is an award-winning movie in movie festival in Cannes. It is well known to describe the conflict between high class and low class. I recently watched this movie with my family and I found that there is a food called Jjapaguri. And the rich people in this movie put beef inside this inexpensive noodle. I wonder how it tastes like, so I decided to make it by myself. So before we start cooking, let me show you an ingredient that we need. Beef, wine, jjapaghetti, salt, pepper, truffle oil. Among many kinds of parts in beef, I'll use striploin today. And this is a part that is located on the backside of a cow. Cut them like a cube, but don't cut them in thin slices. Then let's season with wine. Put 3 spoons of wine inside. Add a little bit of pepper and salt. Mix them using hands. Leave this for 5 minutes. Then put several drops of truffle oil inside. Fry the seasoned beef for 5 to 7 minutes in a low heat. Don't overcook them, or it'll get too stiff. Then let's boil the water. Put noodles and dried vegetable flake inside. Boil them about 5 minutes, for these noodles are too thick. If the noodles are 70% done, then take the water out. And just leave 20% of its water. And then add 1 jjapaghetti sauce and half of ramen sauce. And mix this using chopsticks. Add a fried beef inside and mix this all together so that the beef will soak into jjapaguri sauce. When the water inside the pot is dried out, then add the separate drops of truffle oil and put them on a dish. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button below. And see you in the next video. Bye bye!